Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to delete a row in your table in the Microsoft Excel web on your PC. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to delete a row in the table in your Microsoft Excel web on your computer is going to show. So first of all, I just going to insert a table here. So I just going to insert a table. So I just need to delete the row. Okay, if you're just for an example, just type something here. Okay, so I just want to delete the table here. Okay, so I just want to delete the row. So click on the row. You can just click here. You can just right click here. You will see option called delete row. If you just click on and delete it, you can see the data in this side will be also deleted. So just select the row and right click here, and you can just click on delete. Click on the delete table row. You can see now it's deleted. If you just right click here, you will see an option called delete row. But if you click inside the table and insert any cell here, right click here. For an example, just right click here, and you will see an option called table row. You can have the difference between the row and table row. So this is how you just delete the table row on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with the super vibrant content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Maybe Unique. Have a wonderful day.